Today, we're looking at a wild new way to think about stories, treating them like an engineering problem.
So what if a story could skip your personal feelings and just trigger a specific biological reaction? This problem is called cultural noise. An author's intent gets lost in the reader's own experience. So researcher Levent Bulut proposes a clean break from all that subjectivity with narrative engineering.
His whole solution is the cloud doctrine. It's a full framework with 3 distinct layers.
Basically, it treats a story like a machine. Physical inputs create a very precise emotional output. To get this, we gotta look at the old way first, which comes from the poet T.S. Eliot. Eliot said artists have to find the right set of things to make you feel a certain way.
But Bulut's method isn't about finding a match, it's about calculating it, using physics.
So the big shift is from art to engineering. But, how does that actually work?
It all starts with some really strict rules. They're called the 6 golden rules.
2 of the biggest rules, the adjective embargo and the simile ban. No more subjective words. So instead of emotional words, the system uses hard, measurable data. Let's see an example.
See? It flips emotion into pure data. There's no room left for personal interpretation here.
Your brain just takes in the physical data and generates the feeling itself, automatically.
Okay, but if a story is a physical system, how do you measure its chaos or complexity?
Well, that's where narrative entropy comes in. It measures disorder in the story, like in physics.
Let's use Pulp Fiction as a case study. Its mixed-up timeline, that's high initial entropy.
But the chaos is controlled by anchors, like the briefcase, and then it all resolves perfectly.
So you see, this is way bigger than just a new writing style. It's about universal communication.
The end goal is something called the Universal Biological Interface, or UBI for short.
The idea is that literature could evolve from art into a kind of biological software protocol.
So, is this the future? A story with universal truth? Or one that's lost its soul?